Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, we're going to do some poppers today. Hopefully they're delicious. So we got some jalapenos, I got some Italian sausage over here, and I got some bacon, got some barbecue sauce back there, killer hogs, some barbecue rub, my favorite rub of old time, some whipped cream cheese, and some cheddar cheese. So, hey, we're going to do poppers my way. Let's get her going next. Alright, let's get our poppers going. Italian sausage, and this is the way I do it. I mean, for the love of God, everybody makes different poppers. So that's like a couple pounds, and here's I'm using whipped because I think it works better with that. You don't have to deal with it; it just goes in there. Yep. Get it all out of there, like so. Boom, we'll get rid of that. I'm using a little bit of sweet baby rays in there. Maybe. Yeah. Nice little squirt of that. And I'm using Italian fusion right here. Whoa, my lighting isn't good here. There you go. And just use Italian seasoning if you're following this. Good 3 tablespoons. Now, what we're going to do is getting that all loving each other. Alright, we got that loving each other. We got it started anyway, you know. It's like over there, just like, yeah. All you gotta do is mix, saroo, like Gary would say over there. So, give it a mix-a-roo. We want to get that all mixed together. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna be back. It is all mixed together. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Looking good? All right. Then we got to have these jalapenos. That's our next mission in life right now. Let's get her done. All right. Our jalapenos are looking good. They are huge. I don't think they're going to be very spicy because they're so big. So, we'll take that. And then just take it down the middle. And then get in there with a spoon or whatever if you want to. And get your spicy out of there. I don't know. I'm not going to pull it all out, but that's how you do it. Okay, sure. So we got our jalapenos, and I did a whole bunch of them, so they're all over here. And got our mixture over here, which is right here. And our half a jalapeno. So you just take that and you stuff that sucker up good. Make sure he's stuffed and he's nice and fat. Get him all stuffed up like that. You want a lot of that filling in to your jalapeno popper. He's looking delicious, isn't he? Alright, we gotta wrap some bacon around him next. Alright, so let's do it with a full piece of bacon because I got another one stuffed here. And full piece of bacon over here. These jalapenos are extra long, and you can just do this. Whoa, I got 2 on there. You don't want 2. You definitely don't want, you don't want to be doing 2 on that. Nope. Alright, here we go. There's one. Get over. Make sure you're crossing up with it. Oh yeah. I'm thinking that's going to be extra delicious. Alright, so we got them all bacon wrapped and looking delicious, aren't they? One of my favorite rubs ever. We're going to use some Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. So let's get that all over your poppers. You know, if you don't have any Killer Hogs, use your favorite rub or salt, pepper. It doesn't matter. I'll tell you what. If you don't have Killer Hogs, and obviously I'm not getting paid for this, this shit is good. I shouldn't have to say this, but you don't want no one-sided taste of food, correct? Nobody likes that, and you shouldn't have to deal with one sit. Turn them over, season the other side. Alright, back out of the trigger, and we'll get this on here. Let's go. Get them on there. Doesn't really freaking matter. Running at 300. Because I don't got a whole night. on them, they're going to be freaking delicious. Alright, we're fully on there. Like I said, 300. Alright, we're now in. Looking good, aren't they? Oh, yeah. Gotta make some room on here because I gotta get this slamming going in there. But we'll make some room. They're looking good. I would say 30 minutes to an hour. We'll be ready. Alright, we gotta glaze those things off. So I just using what I got left in the fridge. I got some Sweet Baby Ray's, so we'll use some of that. I'll get more in there. And we got this Famous Dave's Devil Spit. This stuff is actually real. Oh shit! It's really spicy. So, all right, I'll get this. We'll get some more Sweet Baby Ray's in there, and we'll get back over there and start glazing our poppers. All right, we're into it to about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. We got that barbecue sauce, that Sweet Baby Ray's. And a little bit of that Famous Dave's Devil Spit in there. Actually, more than a little bit. So let's glaze these bad boys up with a little bit of our BBQ sauce. And let them go another 10-15 minutes. We'll be ready for these bad boys. Alright, let's pull these poppers off here. Suckers onto a plate. Yeah. Alright folks, here we got it. We got our delicious, oh gosh, that looks good. Let me get that out of there. Look at that. Our jalapeno popper. Alright, let's take a bite. Oh my Lord. I'll tell you what, you need to make you a pile of those right now. Freaking delicious. Alright. Thanks for watching another Cooking with Corey. I appreciate it. Make yourself some jalapeno poppers. They're freaking delicious. Alright, we'll see you next week, folks.